The overwhelming success of the EMS ram pump in grit dredging applications has spawned a natural progression for EMS to design and manufacture its own complete range of grit separation systems. You're looking at the GC500, which is the smallest EMS classifier in the range. As you will see, the GC500 can easily discharge a ton of material in much less than 30 minutes. Looking beyond the conventional appearance of this classifier, you'll find engineering features that deliver efficiency, reduction in maintenance, and energy savings. The high tensile steel auger rides upon replaceable stainless steel wear bars. The void between the wear bars allows the material to drain as it passes up the conveyor tube. Optional water jets in various configurations can be provided to wash the grit. The steep sides of the classifier leave the grit no place to accumulate and no option but to fall into the large diameter auger. Classifiers can be built with multiple inlet and outlet ports to simplify the pipework connections. The 1.1 kilowatt drive on the GC500 is inverter controlled, providing variable speeds for optimum grit discharge or optimum grit dryness, as well as many other options. Operating as a batch process, the powerful drive and robust stainless steel structure allow the classifier to stand idle, sometimes for several hours, while the grit accumulates inside. The grit is then discharged in a matter of minutes, delivering maximum energy savings with minimal wear and tear. The blue sack contains 1 ton of builder's sand and fine gravel, and as you can see, we filled the classifier beyond the water overflow level before switching it on. The high tensile steel auger quickly chews into the grit and transports it up the conveyor tube for washing and subsequent discharge into a skip. Inverter control of the drive provides varying rotational speeds for the auger. When optimum dryness is required, the classifier runs for 1 minute to draw a batch of grit into the conveyor tube above the waterline and then switches off for 20 minutes to allow the grit to drain properly. This portion of well-drained grit is then discharged and the cycle repeats itself. Enhanced draining operation such as this requires the classifier to run for just over 1 hour in 24. All EMS products are designed and manufactured in the UK. EMS also provides site surveys, optioneering, system design and consultation, as well as manufacture, mechanical and electrical installation, commissioning and after-sales service, all from its factory base in Stoke-on-Trent.